Ah, oh, that's hot.
Shit.
That's hot.
Again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process of using the all-in-one $25 digital business affiliate system to make money, and we're going to use the My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, so as you know, I got 3 sales. This is the last day, guys, of this case study. So far we got 3 sales. Not the greatest of results, but good results, results nonetheless, because these are 3 people that are going to be in the system forever, so it's kind of worth, it's pretty worth. So let's talk about it. So we make $360 each person every month. Not each person, but $120 each person every month, adding to $360. As you know, we had 4 people, 1 person left. So if that 4th person would have stayed in there, we would have been on process of making $70,000 a month. I mean a year, which would have been amazing. But I mean, I'm cool with just 2 sales a month, to be honest. Half that. So anyway, let's continue on here. What we're gonna do now is promote this item on My Lead Gen Secrets one more time for you guys to see what happens here. Yeah, this is the last day of our process. Let's go with let's look over which email did the best here. Done and ready to go business did pretty good. Let's look at the older one. Full weekend. It really will create unlimited income online. That's probably one I'm gonna go with. Let's look a little longer. Yeah, create unlimited income online. We're gonna go with that one. All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go with that. Mail system here. I think it was this one. Yeah, so we're just gonna copy paste this. It's sitting out pretty good. Everything looks nice. We're gonna just send this email, guys. And that's the simplicity of posting emails already in there and just reposting them. You see if you can get anybody else. So I'm clicking on the emails that I think got me the sales. So we sending them emails again. See if we can get some more sales like that. So anyway, that when it's done, so we're gonna go to our next account here. We're gonna pretty much do the same thing we just did there. Create unlimited income for life. This. Boom. All right, send an email. Boom. Real simple stuff, guys. Now that's sent real quick. Then we go to the account. We log out one more time. We did this for a month, guys. Pretty crazy to think about. So we're gonna click on iDigi Affiliate here and do the same exact thing here. Boom, boom, boom. And remember now, if you want to get started with My Lead Gen Secrets, maybe you got another program you want to promote, all the links are in the description, guys. Send you right to it. They're affiliate links. Make sure you know that. Of course, they're affiliate links. I'm an iDigi Affiliate. Come on, guys. But yeah. And that's all there is to it. It's that simple, guys. It's really that simple. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. That's all you got to do to make money with My Lead Gen Secrets, to be honest. I've been promoting this product here. I think this product might be a bit of a harder sell, but when you get people in it, you make money, you make recurring income for life. You know what I mean? other places, other things might say ClickBank or whatever, you can get constant sales, but it's not constant sales for life. You got to continuously get those constant sales. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's why I'm saying that now. Oh, guys. So that's all there is to that. And I guess we can, and like I stated before, this product, 80% recurring commission, the best I've ever seen in my life. So getting or selling this is probably better than getting or selling anything else. So this is a type of program when you don't really need to track, like, just get as many people in it as possible. You know, that's your goal, whatever you may need to do. So I'm gonna show you guys other ways to do that, but for now I just want to say that I think my lead gen secrets is a very solid way of building income. Say you don't know how you want to promote, or say you don't know, I think it's the best way to, like, it's the cheapest way to get clicks. You know what I mean? Think about it like this. I've gotten, for example, I've gotten 8,700 clicks for $90. 8,000 clicks for $90 is ridiculous, guys. I don't know if you know that. That's less than, hold on, let me think. $90. Let's say $1 is 9,000 clicks, $90. Is that $100 a click? 100 clicks a dollar? I think that's about 100 clicks a dollar, guys. That's 1 penny. That's a click for a penny. Man, that's crazy. But yep, that's all there is to it. Murder She Wrote, and how effective that was. And this program is just, I think this is a very easy way to build money, recurring income over time. Continue doing this. In a couple months, you'll get a couple of free sales. You know what I mean? And that's all there is to it, guys. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.